Hello everyone, welcome to Mr. SKB Tech, your problems matters. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about the new operating system for the iPhone 6, that is the iOS 14.2.3. So let's discuss about it. When you talk about the iPhone, we are not just talking about the logo, we are talking about the operating system. Let's check out which of the iPhone are we using. Going to your general, about. As you can see, I'm using the iOS 12.4.3 on the iPhone 6. That means this phone is iPhone 6 using the latest version. So let's check out the features for the latest iOS. The features are much more than you can imagine. They are as much more than you can imagine. So let's talk about it. We start within our time. Let's talk about the fast and speed. The iPhone is now fast of more than what you think. Let's check it out. As you can see, I'm swapping it. It's moving not like the oldest version, not like the rest of the iPhone. Let me open the apps and let's see what we got. I got this. So you can say it yourself, the phone is fast and fast. Let's talk about the dark mode. The latest iOS 13 has the dark mode, likewise this one also have it. So let's check it out. How does the iPhone 6 have it on dark mode? Going to the settings, let's move on general. Let's go to accessibility. Let's talk about the display accommodations and invert colors. Click on the smart invert. As you can see, we have already turned it into the dark mode. This is just the shortcut for the iPhone 6. As you can see, this is it. Let's check out the messages. You see, as you can see, it's on the dark mode, and let's try on Safari. Also, the Safari has the dark mode, and let's try the call. Wow, as you can see, this is just it. So this is just it. If you want to switch back to the normal display, you can also go back to the general, accessibility, display accommodations, invert colors, and smart invert lock it up. Wow, and this is just the awesome iOS I've ever seen for the iPhone. As you can see, it's just back to the normal form. You can also use it like that. Let's talk about the next one, the control center. Talking about the control center, not like the rest of the iPhone 6. Check it out. As you can see, the features have increased, not like before. We have the 4 icons down and the rest. This is the timer we have on the control center. Let's check it out again. Let's try audio record, and this is it. We start wasting your time. You don't need to go and browse it. All you need to is drag up and see what you can see. Let's talk about the do not disturb and the rest. So using this is just the best. Going back to the rest of the iPhone, you can increase the volume and put it down, the brightness, the touch light, the portrait lock, and the rest. The next feature we are talking about is the screen time. Not like the rest of the iPhone, the screen time for the latest iOS is more important. Let's check it out and see. As you can see, the screen time, you need to go to the settings, scroll down to the screen time and click on it. Click on the screen time and let's see. As you can see, it's saying 1 hour 19 minutes ago such tags were used. 29 minutes on social networking, 14 minutes on reading and preference. As you can see, today's 1 hour 19 minutes. That's all happened today. Most used was YouTube, 25 minutes, Safari 17 minutes, settings 12 minutes, and this is just the best. Not like the rest. Let's talk about the last 7 days. On Mohammed Sarkin Kebi's iPhone, this is what went out for the whole of the week. YouTube is one of the best 4 hours 30 minutes, creativity and the rest. So with this, you can give a visitor your phone or a friend your phone, and you can also see what you can do with your phone. Without wasting your time, you can see what individuals do with their phone. Let's talk about the next feature is the charge fast. The iPhone 6 now charge fast as more than you can think, just like the flash, and battery problem are solved. The battery is now good. You can your battery can last for 12 hours, not like before that your battery will last for 5 hours and shut down. The iOS battery is good and your phone charge fast. Within 30 minutes your iPhone can get 80% charge or more than that. So you can also check your maximum capacity is each one, and using this you can see the last time I charged my phone was 49%, and I'm still using it much more than you can imagine. So with this you can maintain your battery, not like the rest of the iOS that take much charge and you cannot resist it. You don't need to change your battery. All you need to is update to the latest iOS and you will enjoy your iPhone 5 or 6, because this version is only for the 5 and 6. So if you are using the 6 or the 5, quickly do this and update your phone. Check my rest of my videos, you will find that I have released an update on how to update your iPhone 6 to the version 12.4.3. so sorry, 12.42. Yeah, I got this. So check it out, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, enjoy my channel and like all my videos. I'll be much happy if you do that for me. Thank you for watching. Again, my name is